All my girlfriends ask me, when are we doing that again? My name is Cheryl McKissick Daniel. I am president and CEO of McKissick and McKissick. I am a civil engineer and I am president and CEO of our family business. Our family business dates back 5 generations to the first descendant of our family who came here as a slave in 1790. One of our employees, she runs our Harlem office, and she's pretty much our ambassador to Harlem. And she said, "You have got to participate in this parade." And I had attended before, so I knew what to expect. But when she said, "You did it to be a grand Marshal," I was just thrilled. And so that's why we participated the way we did. It gives me a sense of being, a sense of pride, a sense of understanding of who I am as a person. The strength that comes with that. Being a Grand Marshal was awesome. For that particular event, I decided to bring in girlfriends from around the country to participate on our float. And I had Veranda Dickens, who was the president of Seaway Bank in Chicago. I had Diane Hudson, who was Oprah's executive director for 20 years, who's won 7 Emmys. I had Susan Brown from Arkansas, who is a notable sculptor. And I had Darlene Hill, who's an anchor in Chicago, and my twin sister. And we all dressed alike. We had on hard hats. Our theme was construction. We had an amazing DJ, and we just had a ball from beginning to end. It was an exciting time. We still share those pictures among the group. It was awesome. I am looking forward to another float with even a bigger theme. And all my girlfriends ask me, when are we doing that again? I'm excited of where we are as African Americans, especially here in New York. I will most definitely participate in any capacity asked.